Ever wanted to check who you called on Snapchat or who called you earlier? First, open the Snapchat app. Then go to the chat screen. You'll see a Calls tab like this. Tap on it to view your recent Snapchat calls. However, calls older than 30 days may not appear. If you want to see your full call history, in the top left corner, tap on your profile icon. Now, tap the settings, scroll down to the privacy controls section, and tap on My Data. Snapchat may ask you to log in again. Just confirm your account. Next, select the data you want to include, such as chat history or call-related data. Then, tap on Next. You can also choose a date range if needed. Once everything is selected, submit the request. Now wait. Snapchat will email you a download link when your data is ready. This usually takes a few hours, or sometimes up to a day. When you receive the email, download the zip file, extract it. Inside that file, look for Talk History. You can see details about your Snapchat calls, including dates and times. And that's it. For more Snapchat tips and tricks, subscribe.